All right, guys, welcome to today's video. We're at Tuner Bash 2025. Let's get to the live action. All right, we're back. As you can see, interior's out. We're in race trim. I've got my helmet and race suit, but we're not doing the same thing as we did last year. This year, I'm on stage 3. 034 stage 3, FlexFuel, port injection. I've got E98 in the tank. I've got the SRM dual fuel pumps. I've got the German Performance Solutions port injection, and been working on the stage 3 file with 034. I'm sending them back and forth logs, getting this tune dialed in, and it's amazing. So I've been making a bunch of test hits on the street, and today we're at 4,000 foot DA. By the end of the today, it's gonna be at 5,000 foot DA. So am I hoping for much? Quite frankly, no. But I need a baseline, because at Tuner Bash, there's no slight against Tuner Bash, the prep is not going to be that greatest. However, next weekend, it's not going to be 28 degrees Celsius, and you can see I'm just sweating here. It's not going to be 28 Celsius next weekend. Next weekend, I'm back here at Rad Torque Raceway, but for a private track rental with amazing prep. So the temperature is going to be way better, the DA is going to be better, prep's going to be allegedly, so what I'm told is going to be awesome. So I'm really looking forward to that. Today is going to be, we're going to get data, we're going to see where we're at on track. Let's go. So back in the pits, I had to get out of that run. I looked down at the logger at maybe the 1,000 foot mark, definitely after the 8th, and it was in the IAT safety. So it's 30 degrees out today. It's hard. So, but let's see time slip. Our number is 901 today. Let's search 901 filter. It's right lane, red lit. I was trying to knock the tree down, or cut the tree down, sorry. I did 161 60 foot. It's fine, but not for the drag strip. 695 at 102 in the 8th, and then a 1098 at 111 mile per hour. You know I got out of it because I was 132 last year. So that, for Tuner Bash 2024, my best was a 1067 at 132. 1 year later, yeah, the DA right now is showing 4,586 foot. 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I need to think about this. And I'm gonna take a look at the log and get out of the race suit, because she's hot, guys. She's hot out here. All right, so I know that I'm not gonna be able to do anything amazing at 30 degrees out today. I think it's just about 4,585 foot for DA. So, like I said, I got that private track rental next weekend. So, we're playing with tire pressures and we're going to focus on the short track. I don't like, that's what the aim will be. So I'm gonna get out of it. I'm for sure gonna hit the intake air temp safety again. So let's just worry about the short track. I almost got a full run, almost! Alright, so that one, I'm trying a 3,200 RPM launch as well. What was awesome there, I almost got a full run in. I looked down at close to the 1,000 mark, I'm at the IAT safety limit again, and I can feel the car, like the bypass valve just dumps wide open as a safety measure, so you feel it, you know. It doesn't take some special butt dyno, like calibrated thing to tell. But anyways, I lifted again, then looked up, saw the time boards. Okay, not a full pass, that's fine. But certainly working on the short track. And gets a bit more data, and yeah, that was another different tire pressure setting too, so I wanted to see how that would have played as far as the short track. But what was awesome is like this lineup back here, it's just usually filled with cars back to, anyways, it wasn't there. It was like 3 cars ahead of me. I didn't get a chance to totally heat soak. That was good. So I got a decent rip out of her. Anyways, like I said, and at the end of the day, this is fun. We're at the track, we're having a good time, we're racing. I'm not complaining. All right, so we actually made it into the finals now, the top 16. We needed, my last run, I did a 10.72, 10.73, but I let out again, got too hot. So, is what it is. I'm happy with the short track. In 8th mile, I'm doing, what was it, 6.80 at either 104 or 105 mile an hour. I don't have my phone in front of me, but for the slip. But yeah, it's hot out here. It's 4,800, 4,500 foot DA, and to still be cracking 10.7, 10.73 runs and letting out, not too bad, not too bad. So again, it's all testing. We're getting ready for next weekend. So okay, I'm gonna line up here and we're gonna go for first round of finals. See how far I make it.
Well, here we go with these two. Red light! Oh no! Red light for the BMW that I know isn't Daniel Galot, because that's the RX-8. So Adrian moving on to round number 2. Oh, a big burnout for the guy who run the fastest time today. Let's see how this goes. Dead even. Coming through the 1,000, still dead even. They cross the line, 989.
All right, guys. Reading the slip. So it was against Purple Demons. I had to be in the left lane. They were in the right, and he was monster fast. But I also today I was like, I knew short track, so like also practiced cutting down the tree. I think this is the second 0.08 on the reaction time. He was 0.5. I did 157 60 foot. We were neck and neck at the 330 at like time wise, 4.46s. But then I was hitting the IAT safety again. I was trying to pedal it through and just keep it going, but no good. 6.85 at the 8th for 101 mile an hour. I was already slowing down there. And the quarter mile, 10.85 at 114 mile an hour. So down on IAT safety's kicking in, no boost for me, and rolling to a 10.85. Or I think through the traps, still on the gas, but yeah. no boost. So not too bad. And the TA, guys, was 4,905 foot, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that was a fun way to end it. I'll get back to you here. All right, car's loaded up, and man, we had a good day. Like, it wasn't new personal best, but it kind of was like a new personal best at this DA of a 10.7.3. I was last year it was like 3,000 foot, nice temperatures, and I was doing 10.7, 10.6.7. Like, for it to get that much worse and still be right there with all this ethanol, you know what? I'm happy. And again, I knew going into this, I've probably said that 100 times in this video already, but looking at all the draggy runs, you can see where I let off. It's 3/4 of the pass, 3/4 of the pass, and I'm only 10.7, 10.8, and like, yeah. Oh, hold on. Gave me something to take away from this. Played with tire pressures, played with launch RPMs. I was cutting down the tree at 0.08. That I had a bunch of you lovely people come up and say, hey, this thing took off like a rocket ship, like caught my eye immediately. Great build. Thanks for the love, guys. It puts a smile on my face when you guys come up and you see it and you tell me that. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I'll see you in the next video, but I'll see you here next week at the private rental, and we'll see what we can really do. Cheers, guys. Peace.
Yeah, I think these guys are gonna go fast.